Make your iOS apps accessible to all users. Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your iOS apps accessible to all users. Accessibility is important for everyone, including those with disabilities. By following these tips, you can make your apps more inclusive and reach a wider audience. There are many different ways to make your iOS apps more accessible. Here are a few tips. Use high contrast colors. This will make it easier for users with low vision to see the text and other elements in your app. Provide text alternatives for images. This will allow users who are blind or have low vision to understand what the images are about. Allow users to control your apps with voice commands. This will make your apps accessible to users who cannot use a mouse or keyboard. Test your apps with users with disabilities. This will help you identify any accessibility issues and fix them before you release your app to the public. By following these tips, you can make your iOS apps more accessible to all users. This will help you reach a wider audience and make your apps more inclusive. Thanks for watching. Associative We provides IT services, Android and iOS app development, web development, website, digital marketing, SEO, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and market research service. Please contact us via WhatsApp at 9028850524. Email info@associative.in, website associative.in and associative.co.in.